Welcome to my channel. In today's recipe we are going to be looking at snacks you can make and freeze this Ramadan and create more time for ibadah, for remembrance of Allah, and you do not have to spend a lot of time in the kitchen. We are going to be looking at mahmuri or mandazi and sambosas, but this can as well work with bread and also chapatis. So kindly subscribe to help me grow, like and share the video. Start by preparing the mahmuri dough. I used a little bit of yeast, then warm milk, stir, and then add sugar, nutmeg, or any other spice of your choice that you would love to taste in your mandazi. Then add a little bit of that vanilla extract as well. You can as well decide to make this recipe dairy free and use coconut milk or coconut cream. So if you use coconut milk or coconut cream, try to use coconut essence to bring out that coconut flavor. Then add in your flour in bits as you mix and you form a dough. Kindly subscribe to help me grow. Like the video and leave a comment below. Whenever you watch the video, kindly give a like to help me grow my channel, because this helps me with YouTube algorithm to put my videos out there. So go ahead and knead the dough until it is soft. Do not forget to add prestige or butter in bits as you mix, and you get a very soft dough that is not so sticky. You can use this kind of recipe, this kind of way of freezing, especially for busy moms, especially for people with big families, because it can be a lot preparing the snacks and then the meals during Ramadan. So you can make this and then you just prepare them later on when you need them. So start by rolling the dough. Do not wait for the dough to proof. Immediately after kneading and you see that the dough is soft, start rolling it out and cut it into different pieces, roll them into balls and wrap them in cling film like you see. This is important to make sure that the dough does not get wet while it is in the freezer. So make sure that you first wrap them in the cling film. Then we are going to transfer them into the freezer bag. These are reusable freezer bags. So after make sure that you remove all the air, and then you can tighten it up and transfer to the freezer, and you can freeze these up to a month. The same applies to the sambosa sheets or spring rolls sheets. So you can as well decide to first make the sambosas with the fillings inside, and then you can decide to freeze them in the freezer. But because of the space in my freezer, I just decided to do the sheets, and then I will add in the fillings whenever I would love to make sambusas of any type. It can be peas, it can be meat, it can be chicken, it can be potatoes, whichever you choose to do. And that is how I got them in the freezer. So after a week, you can see that the sambusa sheets are all frozen, and also the dough is hard, it is frozen. Although power has been on and off at our place, so but yeah, we are going to go. So once you are done removing what you are going to use, then put back the rest in the freezer and transfer the dough on a tray. You can as well do this overnight, and you just do that inside the freezer and you transfer them in the refrigerator. Then you can remove them the following day and work on the mandazi. Don't forget to cover them up to prevent them from drying out as they defrost. You can see that the dough is so hard, it is solid. So wait for it to become soft, like after 5 to 7 hours, depending on the temperature, depending on the weather. Of late it has been raining, so it has been cold, so it may take a bit longer depending on where you are. So after dust with a little bit of flour and start rolling and cutting out the mandazi. Do not forget to click on the bell to turn on your notification to be notified whenever I post a new video. Kindly help me grow by subscribing, like and share. So line them on a tray and cover them up for 10 to 20 minutes to rest. and then heat up oil, enough oil for deep frying. And once the oil is ready, add your mandazi, and we are going to fry to until it is golden brown. Yeah, until it is golden brown. Flip over on all sides and drain this on a kitchen towel, and you are good to go. And you have your soft mandazi. You have spent less time in the kitchen, probably 10 to 30 minutes, and you are done like preparing your snacks. So this is a go-to hack that you can use to prepare snacks this Ramadan. And yeah, this is how the mandas turned out. They are so soft, they are fresh. Store these in an airtight container once they are cool, and you are ready to go. Until next time, don't forget to subscribe, like, and share.